Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I want to quickly discuss why you should start a YouTube channel. So the first reason is that YouTube is a fantastic place to build a community around what you're doing. And what I mean by that is, let's just say if you're passionate about a hobby, or maybe you have a business that you're trying to promote services or products or anything of that nature. YouTube is just a fantastic place to build your brand awareness around that, because it's the second largest search engine in the entire world. I mean, just imagine that. Like right after Google, if you type into something on Google, more than likely a YouTube video will come up as a search result. So that puts you at a huge advantage, in the brand awareness world. And also, the nice thing about YouTube is that the lifetime of the posts that you put out there are so much longer than any other social media that exists. Longer than Instagram, longer than Facebook. I mean, I can post something tomorrow, and 10 to 20 years from now, people from around the world can discover it. In your own way, you have to look at it as like, okay, I'm posting on YouTube, I have access to the entire world, and I can make a difference from literally my living room. It's just incredible the way the world is morphed. You can be anywhere in the world and make a difference. And I'm a firm believer that, media is the fastest medium to literally impact a lot of lives in ways that you wouldn't even know. So there's a beauty to that. So if you are passionate about something and you just don't know where to start, creating a YouTube channel could be a catalyst to, bringing out the inner purpose that you have, and just at least getting eyeballs on it. And who knows what it can morph into one day. I mean, who knows? There's many different YouTubers that have started out on YouTube, and their life was changed after that. So what I'm trying to say is you could be the next person. You just have to believe in yourself and just get started. The key thing is just getting started. A lot of individuals are uncertain. They're like, okay, well, I don't have the professional cameras. I don't have, fancy mics. You don't need any of that. As a matter of fact, when I first started, my videos weren't even like good at first, but that didn't stop me. I was like, no, I'm in this. Like, let's go, let's do this. And I got better every single time. I mean, I've uploaded over 1,000 videos across multiple different channels, and every single time, many of them have flopped, but I learned every single time and I iterated. As a matter of fact, my brother and I started a new channel called Train AI Today. All the learnings that I've learned from all the failed videos, I implemented into that, and we've been growing steadily ever since. But the point is that you have to learn from the mistakes that you make. Consistency is a very important aspect of YouTube. And also, having a consistent theme and not meandering, because that was one of the big mistakes I made very early on in this YouTube journey. I was meandering between a lot of different things because I just have so many different passions and things that I'm interested in. But I've learned, especially with the new channel that we started, the AI channel, it's very niche, it's very to the point. There's a very clear and consistent log line to it. It's AI made simple, and the design is very uniform, which I think has helped us grow in terms of subscribers and so forth. If you're trying to grow your subscriber base, I think Shorts is definitely the #1 way to go. It's almost like a freebie in terms of getting free organic traction to it. In terms of watch time, obviously double down on the long form content. But like I said, if you're just starting, don't worry about too much of the production quality. Just get started and see what exactly is resonating with the audience, and then you can just go from there. I think if you have I would just try to at least get 50 videos out first, and then double down on, you have to look at the analytics, but you have to double down on what's working, because you don't want to try too many different things, and then it's like, okay, well, clearly this idea isn't working, but this is. So let's double down on that. So that is very critical during the YouTube journey. And yeah, I mean, I don't want to make this video too long, but I think it's just such a fantastic time. I mean, the only thing that YouTube really costs when you're first starting out is your time. And look at it this way. Even if you don't monetize your channel right away, it may even take a couple years to do. The nice thing is that you're getting better, you're honing your editing skills, filming skills, you're getting better every time, you're working towards your goals, and you're making the difference in other people's lives, whether you know it or not. As long as you're providing value, I mean, you're cultivating your own inner purpose and sharing it with the world, which is something beautiful. I mean, each and every one of us have a different purpose in life, but it's about honing and finding that. And I believe YouTube is a medium of taking that inner purpose and dispersing it out into the world. Media is a great way to change people's lives. I mean, it's one of the fastest ways. Think about, like, I think content creators are like the modern storytellers. And if you can have a piece of that, then I think it's your duty to do that, you know, for society. And it's definitely an exciting time. And I hope you all found value in this video. And I can't wait to see you again. This is kind of different from the other videos I've made on this channel, but I wanted to feel more podcast style and, you know, feel very authentic and so forth. But thank you all so much for tuning in, you know, whoever tuned into this, and have a great day.